In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from the United States to Oman on Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account in the app or on the website and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top. Tap or click on that country setting, then select Oman as the destination. This is an important step because it tells Remitly where the money is going and updates the available transfer options for that country. After selecting Oman, go ahead and click Send Money. This takes you into the transfer setup, where you'll enter the details for your recipient and the amount you want to send. If the person you're sending money to is already saved in your contacts, you can simply click their name to continue. That makes the process faster and helps avoid re-entering information. If they are not already saved, choose New Contact and then select their country. Be sure to choose the correct country for the recipient, so the transfer details match the destination properly. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, any transfer fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. Take a moment to review these details carefully, so you know exactly what you're sending and what the other person will get. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. The delivery method can affect how quickly the money arrives and how the recipient receives it, so make sure you choose the option that works best for them. After that, select your payment method. This is where you choose how you want to pay for the transfer, such as with a bank account, debit card, or another available option depending on your account. Then click Continue. On the next screen, enter the recipient's account details exactly as required. Accuracy matters here, so double-check the information before moving forward. Even a small mistake in the account details can cause delays or problems with the transfer. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Before confirming, it's always a good idea to check the amount, recipient information, delivery method, and payment method. One last time. Once everything looks correct, submit the transfer and wait for the confirmation from Remitly. That's how to send money from the United States to Oman on Remitly.